So here's the home screen, as if it was an app. As you see, we used these test products, and you can scroll. I'm scrolling with my thumb and test people and test products. And if you were to click on the product, it would bring you to that product.
And tell me, if I'm a student founder and this is my company, how much branding in there is of my own stuff and etc.
Yeah, I'm working on this. I'm sorry, it doesn't work so great as an app right this second. I'll have to check this out. I'm sorry, I didn't have too much time to fully look at all the pages and try it on both the app as well as the.
Admit that to us and don't admit that again ever out loud to anybody.
Okay, I'm admitting it to you guys.
Yeah.
I haven't had a chance to look at enough of it. I looked at it on
that's the last time you say that. Yeah.
On the computer. You can look through you can do the app, or I'd rather do this on an actual.
I think it would be easier on a phone. So can we log in? Can we try practicing just logging in on a phone and doing it that way? Because this is going to be hard whenever you're using the wrong device to share it.
Right.
Logo, by the way, that's really great. But do you want to try that? Do you want to try also logging in through your phone and then sharing the screen that way?
I'm on my phone right now, like going in it.
Oh, this is on your phone. Okay.
Yeah, this is on my phone, so that's why I don't know. It looks a little odd on my phone. Like when I click on the product, it pops up a.
Great.
Looks good on your end.
Yeah, this looks amazing. Yeah.
And then
so can you answer me the question, if I was a startup founder, because you're gonna have to convince the startup founders to put the things on your platform. So what is it for them? What's the benefit, and how much of their own unique branding will they get, etc.?
Well, I want to have it as really to showcase the startups and to really showcase their brand, and as it is right now, what it is a free, just another free place to put their stuff for now until as a early adopter.
So let them know, and you're not going to be charging them anything to set it up and to have. Right.
Yeah, so, as early adopters, no. The later, when it becomes a big thing, it's obviously going to be charged. But right now, it will be completely free for all the startups, especially for the rec startups, to put it. And it'll just be
just for the rec startups, Diana. Just for the rec startups.
Yeah, just for the rec startups.
I mean, just that's between we're saying.
Yeah.
So, just for the rec startups. You're
gonna, and to add their.
So can you let me know how much of their branding is going to be shown on here? Will they be able to add their logo and things like that?
Well, I am hoping that it all works, and that's what we're trying. I need to make sure that it all works.
No, that's just between you and me. And the way that you're going to say it is, like I just said, they will be able to put their own branding, their own marketing, and that's what you're going to be building with them.
And they're adding the pages for the startups. It's
you're adding the pages. We are not. They.
Yeah, they are. We are. They're adding the
Who's they? I'm not understanding.
Anu is going to add another
that's
one.
Diana, that's we. When you're talking, you're saying we. You're building this for them, right? Yeah, right. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we got. I think we might have just had somebody come into the room. Welcome, whoever just came.
It's Valeria from Crumb Cheese.
Hi, Valeria. Hi, we're just working with Diana.
I'm here a little bit earlier.
Welcome.
Is that okay? I'm not hearing anything. Don't worry.
You're allowed to hear. You're allowed to hear. We're just we're working through the
app.
Deanna's got her new app going and her new mall marketplace. So we're just. Yeah.
Diana, thank you for purchasing Crumb Cheese. You'll get them this week.
Yay! Thank you. I can't wait to add them to my Christmas stockings and stuff.
Yay!
That's awesome. So
great idea.
So and so Crumb Cheese, Valeria, make sure that you talk about that in the class too. Let everybody know if they want to purchase things.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so Deanna, just if you can get go ahead and create a list for everybody to get everyone's contact information so that you can get them all up on this platform while we're on break, so that they can start. So you can start your your beta testing and And get this big.
And
Do
I
you know
can-
approximately, is it about 45? You said 45 people who, so far on the list of people who want.
I have a good list of people. Yeah, mostly artists.
Did it go up, or, I mean, last time I talked to you, it was 45. Does it?
It's possibly more. I have contact information for probably like 70 people
Oh my
who
God.
are interested. But like
Yeah, you never
I'm
know.
hoping all of them join, but
Yeah, you never know, you never know. Okay, cool. Okay, I just want to make sure that this was all ready then for tonight then. Perfect, so that's it then.
I don't know, is it ready enough? I mean, I know I was not expecting to
Action is the enemy of
invite.
progress. It's ready to start getting people, you get their contact information, get them on. You don't have to put them all on right away, but you can start phasing into that, like.
I can ask all the people who want to, who would like to
Yep.
showcase products, if I can email them and then they can get on it.
Yeah, you just start putting them on one at a time, just start putting them on, and then, yeah, I mean, it's a win-win for them. I mean, there's no reason why they wouldn't want to be on there.
Right,
Especially 'cause it's free.
exactly. That's what I spoke with Anu, and he's putting, we are putting the how it says vendor services, vendor products, featured startups, and check our product total sales, and then we're gonna have the startup pages.
Okay,
And
so
that-
definitely make sure to articulate that, share that with all of them, and make sure that if you can have your screen, your video on, and if not, just as much as you're showing is good. So that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop your sharing right now. And yeah, good to go. Make sure just to explain to them how much of their, how it helped their business and how much is sharing of their. Good.
Yeah,
Letting-
I want everyone to get it for free.
No, I understand that. So yeah, but like the benefit to them, not just the cost. So all
Yeah.
right. Oh, all right, wonderful. I'm going to
See you in class.
I'll see you in class in a little bit. And then if you could for the PowerPoint, we'll just get the list of, we'll have to get the give everybody the permission codes as we have them, but we'll get also get that list. So Angela or Crystal, which one of you wants to take care of that, or Jesse?
Oh,
Mhm.
Were you talking about getting the ad codes? Emailing Cheyenne?
Oh no, I thought one of you already did that. What I was talking about was getting everybody, explaining this to the students and getting everybody on the list.
Tanya, do you want me to pause the recording?
Yeah, you stop.